Assembly punching process for solar channel roll forming lines. In the production of solar mounting structures, the assembly punching process is a critical step used to create the holes, slots, and connection features required for assembling photovoltaic PV support systems within a solar channel roll forming line. Within a solar channel roll forming line, the punching process is typically integrated before the roll forming section or between specific forming stations, depending on the profile design and production speed. The steel strip is continuously fed into the punching unit where the required hole patterns are produced with high precision. The punching assembly in solar channel production includes a heavy-duty machine frame, hydraulic or servo-punching cylinders, precision punch and die tooling, strip guiding units, and a synchronized control system. These components ensure accurate hole positioning while maintaining continuous production flow. Solar mounting channels usually require multiple slot patterns and elongated holes, which allow flexible positioning of solar panels and fastening accessories. The punching tooling is designed according to the engineering specifications of the solar racking system to ensure compatibility with standard bolts and mounting hardware used in photovoltaic installations. One of the most important aspects of the solar channel punching process is high positional accuracy. The spacing between holes must meet strict installation standards to ensure proper alignment of solar panels across large mounting structures. Advanced sensor systems and PLC synchronization guarantee that the punching operation matches the strip feeding speed and maintains consistent hole spacing. Depending on production requirements, the punching system may use hydraulic multi-station punching units or servo punching technology. Multi-station punching allows several holes or slots to be produced simultaneously, increasing production efficiency for large-scale solar structure manufacturing.